हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा। तो पिछली बार हमने देखा था फ्लोर प्रॉपर्टी और पोजीशनिंग हमारा हो गया था, फ्लोर प्रॉपर्टी हो गया था। एक्चुअली मैंने जूम लेक्चर लिया था तब बहुत ही अटेंडेंस कम थी। ये सारे टॉपिक्स मेरे वहाँ पे हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, लेकिन वहाँ पे कोई भी अवेलेबल नहीं था, ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे, ज़्यादा बच्चे नहीं थे, आप प्रेजेंट नहीं थे। तो इसलिए मैं ये वीडियो डाल रही हूँ आप सबके लिए। सो आप देख सकते हो। सो टुडे वी लर्न अबाउट द डिस्प्ले प्रॉपर्टी. So display property has main four values, four attribute. One is the inline, second block, third block inline, and fourth one is a none. So in inline, it is used to display an element as an inline element. So you can see here four paragraphs are there, but those four paragraphs are display in a inline. So second is the block display. So block display मतलब you can see here it acquire whole the block, यानी पूरा पेज वो acquire कर लेता है। और इनलाइन में क्या हो जाता है कि वो न्यू लाइन में इंटर नहीं करता है, एक ही लाइन में सारे आपको कंटेंट्स आपको दिखाई देते हैं। ब्लॉक में क्या होता है कि आपको न्यू लाइन में नहीं आता है, वो सिंगल लाइन में आ जाता है और वो पूरा ब्लॉक वो एक्वायर कर लेता है. दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ब्लॉक एंड इन लाइन. एंड व्हाट इज़ द ब्लॉक इन लाइन? ब्लॉक इन लाइन मीन्स वो दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन है, उसमें वो पूरा ये भी एक्वायर करेगा और प्लस आपको इन लाइन में भी दिखाई देगा. ओके, next one is nothing but the order list and unordered list. So what is the OL? OL tag is used for the order list, and order list can be numerical or alphabetical. So if you use Word file, and in that you can see the bulleted list. If you want to make a points, or if you want to make a list, that time you use the bulleted list or number list, right? So for that in HTML we use the order list and unordered list, two list tags are there. So now we learn about the OL list. Order list is nothing but the numerical or alphabetical values are there. So you can see here there are main three attributes: type, reverse and start. So what is the type? It provides the type. So there are main four types. By default is the 1 2 3 4. Second one is small alphabet. Third one is the capital alphabet and Roman numbers. You can also use the Roman numbers. So second thing is the reversed. Second attribute is the reversed, where you can specify the items in reverse order. Okay. Third one is the start. Start means specify the starting number of the first item in an order list. Means by default ये रहता है 1 2 3 4, या फिर अगर ए से स्टार्ट कर रही हो तो ABCD. इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट your list from the 500 400 200, so you can mention in the start attribute, then that item will start from that number. Okay, so this is one example. You can see here H3 and OL start 50. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर लिस्ट आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. तो देर आर मेन थ्री आइटम्स. इट इज़ इन दैट ऑर्डर लिस्ट हमने कुछ भी प्रोवाइड नहीं किया है. सो बाय डिफॉल्ट इज़ द 1 2 3. एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ वी प्रोवाइड start attribute and value of the 50. So that attribute or that list item start from the 50. And third order list is provide reverse attributes, so that specify the item in reverse order. That is, you can see the output of the program. first list by default 1 to 3, second start from the 50, and third one here reverse, so 3 to 1. So you can see here the output of the order list. So second list tag is nothing but the unordered list or bulleted list. Order list also called the number list, and unordered list also called the bulleted list. So in unordered list there are main three types: disk, circle, and square. So by default is the disk, and if you does not provide any type, then it will take disk type, and if you provide circle or square, it will show you the circle and disk. So here I, I give you the example. फर्स्ट अनऑर्डर लिस्ट, यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ भी प्रोवाइड नहीं किया है, देन द यू कैन सी द आउटपुट, द बाय डिफॉल्ट इज द डिस्क. सेकेंड अनऑर्डर लिस्ट इज द सर्कल, so you can see the circle. Third one is the square, and you can see the square. Okay, so this is also new list tag. In previous year there are only the two list tags are there, order list and unordered list. Here in your new syllabus it provide the third list, that is the definition list. So for that we use the DL tag. Okay, one second, I have to, in number list, sorry, in order list you have to use the OL tag, and in between OL tag you can provide the list li tag. Okay, list item, that is li tag. जो जितने आपको आइटम्स लेने हैं उतने आपको li tag यूज़ करना है. सेम फॉर द अनऑर्डर लिस्ट, लिस्ट आइटम के लिए आप li यूज़ करते हो, बट फॉर ul यू हैव टू मेंशन द ul. अनऑर्डर लिस्ट के लिए आपको ul मेंशन करना है, एंड ऑर्डर लिस्ट के लिए आपको मेंशन करना है ol. सेम फॉर द dl, you have to mention the dl tag, data list tag, and in between you have to write down the dt, means define the terms and the names, and second one is the dt, that is the data definition. So you can see here, this is your example. So student, you can see here, this is the example. Here main three definitions are there: web, HTML, and CSS. And for that we use the DL. We use the DL, and in between DL, you can see here, we close the DL tag here, and in between DL, अगर आपको कौन से टर्म को एक्सप्लेन करना है वो हम लिखेंगे DT में, सॉरी DT में, वेब हमने लिखा DT में, एंड डेफिनेशन इन DD. Same for HTML, we use the DT for HTML, and for definition we use the DD. Same for the CSS. Like that you have to mention the definition list. Okay. So student, this is the example. This example you have to solve in your notebook and write down the code for that output. Next is nothing but the nested list. Nested list is nothing but the list between the yapi, or you can say that list within another list. Okay, it's called the nested list. It will be order list or it will be unordered list. आप दोनों को भी nested बना सकते हो. Okay, so here I am taking one order list, and in between I am going to take unordered list. So here in OL you can see here there are main two list item in OL. I write down two list items, and afterwards I am taking here UL, and in that write down the style, and main three items are there. Then that unordered list is closed, and third list item of the order list we have to write down here, and then order list is closed. This is very simple example of the list tag. and here you can see one example, one output of the program, and you have to write down the प्रोग्राम फॉर दैट आउटपुट। सेम है जो मैंने अभी लिखा है वैसा ये प्रोग्राम, और आपको वो आपके नोटबुक में मेंशन करना है। ओके, ना मल्टी लेवल लिस्ट, नेस्टेड लिस्ट मीन्स एक के अंदर एक, एक के अंदर एक, ऐसे हमने मल्टी टाइम ये किया है। यू कैन सी दिस इज द प्रोग्राम ऑफ यूर नोट टेक्स्ट बुक। आई डोंट थिंक मुझे ये एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत है। अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है देन यू आस्क मी पर्सनली। ओके, next is the audio video. How to add audio in your HTML, or how to add video in your HTML file. So for that, in HTML there are different tags for audio and video. For that we used Digisound and embed tag for audio, and img for video. But in your syllabus in HTML5 we use the different tags, different format also. So for audio there are main three formats: mp3, AAC and OGG. These three formats are very important, students, because according to previous year question paper, they ask image format, audio format and video format in the exam, so you have to prepare for that. And this is nothing but the format for the audio. So you can see here, first one is the mp3. mp3 is nothing but the full form of the mp3 is the moving picture, right? And it is nothing but the audio format from the mpeg. What is the full form of mpeg? Moving pictures experts group or motion picture experts group, आप कुछ भी दोनों में से कुछ भी लिख सकते हो। सो आई थिंक ये एग्जाम में पूछा ही जाएगा। नेक्स्ट इज द AAC, एडवांस्ड ऑडियो कोडिंग स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट ऑन आईफोन, यूट्यूब एक्सेट्रा। इट इज़ द एडवांस ऑडियो कोडिंग फॉर्मेट। इसका फुल फॉर्म है एडवांस ऑडियो कोडिंग, एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर आईफोन एंड यूट्यूब। ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ये यूज़ किया जाता है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक ये एग्जाम, इसका फुल फॉर्म आपको एग्जाम में आएगा। एंड दे ऑल्सो आस्क यू अबाउट द आईफोन एंड यूट्यूब मीन्स किसके लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, ये भी आपको एग्जाम में पूछा ही जाएगा। नेक्स्ट इज द OGG, इट इज़ द ओपन कंटेंट फ्री ऑडियो फॉर्मेट। ओके, वी कैन यूज़ OGG मीन्स हम इन तीनों फॉर्मेट के ऑडियोज़ हम हमारे HTML5 के पेज में इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। सो फॉर इंसर्टिंग ऑडियो in our web page we have to use the audio tag. So the audio element enables you to embed or add audio files on web pages. Declare the audio tag and specify the source attribute with the audio file location. So for that there are main two syntax for the audio. First one is the audio src and then provide the path, or you can also use source tag between the audio tag. So source tag is also you can use. So student, you can see here source tag is a standalone tag or empty tag because it does not have closing tag. Okay, so आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो ऑडियो टैग को, और you can also use like that. Okay, सिंपल है, ज़्यादा कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं हो, और यू कैन से इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर. So next is the attributes of the audio tag. First one is the autoplay. The audio will start playing as soon as it is ready. So for autoplay you have to play, or you have to open your web page or your program in Internet Explorer, then it will give you the proper output. Otherwise if you open it in on it in Google Chrome, then it will not give you the proper output. Okay, so for that you have to open your program in Internet Explorer. Second, autoplay means what? Key, if you open the page or if you open your program in web browser, then it will automatically plays the sound. Second is the control. So the audio control should be displayed. Means if you not provide the controls attribute, it will not provide the control. तो आपको कंट्रोल नहीं दिखेगा अगर आपने कंट्रोल्स प्रोवाइड नहीं किया. इफ़ यू प्रोवाइड द कंट्रोल देन आपको पॉज प्ले ये जो बटन है वो आपको डिस्प्ले होंगे. नेक्स्ट इज द लूप. लूप मीन्स इफ यू मेंशन द लूप इक्वल टू 2 देन योर ऑडियो साउंड will be play 2 times. If you provide 5 then it will play 5 times. Okay, that is the use of the loop attribute. Next is the adding audio with multiple sources. Means what? Here you can see the program in between the audio tag. This, that is the opening tag and that is the closing tag. In between the audio tag you are mentioning 3 sources. So what is the use of the multiple sources? So if your first source is not going to play, then your second source will play. If your second source also not going to play, then your third source will play. So that is the use of the multiple sources. So you can see here multiple sources of audio are specified, so that if the browser is unable to play the first source, then it will automatically jump to the second source. That is the use of the multiple sources. So I think you know about the audio tag. Next is the video tag. So if you have to add or embed video in your web page, that time you have to use the video tag. Okay, so there are main 3 formats for the video tag. First one is the .mp4, second one is the .ogg, and third one is the WebM. So OGG is for audio also and you can use for video also. Okay, mp4, OGG and WebM. And syntax of video is simple. Video like audio, you can write down the video src and then the URL, and you have to write down the control, then the proper control will be displayed. So attributes of the video tag are, first one is the src where we have to provide the path of the your video file. Second is the autoplay is same as the audio. Control is also same as the audio file. Fourth one is the height. Fourth one is the height. You have to you can mention the height of the your video. Fifth one is the loop. Loop also same for the same like a audio. Muted means specifies that the audio output of the video should be muted. Means sounds will not come if you mute your video file. Only you can see the pictures or you can see the video. Okay, next is the poster. Specifies an image to be shown while the video is downloading or until the user hits the play button. मीन जब तक आपका डाउनलोड होता है तब तक आपको कुछ तो भी इमेज वो वहाँ पे डिस्प्ले होगी, और जब तक आप प्ले बटन नहीं करते हो कुछ तो भी इमेज वहाँ पे डिस्प्ले होगी. दैट इज द पोस्टर. नेक्स्ट इज द प्रीलोड. What is the preload? Specifies if and how the author thinks the video should be loaded when the web page loads. Means web page load होने से पहले अगर आपका वीडियो लोड होता है, for that we use the preload. Next is the width. Width sets the width of the video player. So students, I think यहाँ तक आज हम स्टॉप करते हैं. वीडियो का हमें आउटपुट लेके नेक्स्ट इसमें हम उसका आउटपुट हम लेंगे. सो आई थिंक व्हाट वी लर्न टुडे, Today we learn about the display property as well as the order list, unorder list, data definition list, then audio tag and video tag. So first we learn about the display proper attribute. For that there are four values display में. First one is the block, second was the inline, third one is the inline block, and fourth one is the null. Next we learn about the order list which provide the numbering list. Okay, there are three attributes: type, reverse, and start. Type you have to mention the types, means which type you want. By default is the 1 2 3 4. Other one is the small numbers, capital alphabets, Roman numbers. Okay. Second is the unordered list. Sorry, order list we use the OL, and in between the OL we have to write down the list items, LI. Okay, and unordered list, for unordered list we use the UL tag, and between the UL tag we have to mention the LI tag. Okay, जितने जितने लिस्ट आइटम्स आएंगे उतने उतने LI आपके बढ़ते जाएंगे. For unordered list, attribute is the type, and types by default is the disk. Other types are circle and the square. Next is the definition list. For that we have to mention the DL, and in between you have to write down DD and DT. Okay. Next we learn about the audio and video. For entered or for add audio we use the audio tag, and in between the audio tag you can write down the source, or you can directly provide the src attribute in between the audio tag also. And there are main three attributes, main three image formats are there. First one is the mp3, second one is the acc, and third one is the ogg. Okay, you have to remember full form of the mp3 and AAC. And attributes of the audio tag are autoplay, controls, and loop, main three attributes of the audio tag. And you can also provide the multiple sources. Okay, next is the video tag. We learn about the video tag also. So for video tag there are main three attributes, main three image formats are there: mp4, ogg, and webm. And attributes of video tags are src, autoplay, control, height, width, loop, muted, poster, preload, etc. Okay student, तो असाइनमेंट्स आपको बाद में देती हूँ. ओके.